Success International Language Services.
Hi, teachers. Present simple and present continuous. Easy for native speakers, sure, but quite often they confuse beginners or intermediate students, especially when you consider that we use present continuous as future. We have a great short and free video to help you resolve this difficulty for your students once and for all. Hello everyone, this is Michael from Success. Today we're going to talk a little bit about present simple and present continuous and the difference between the two of them. First, let's remember present simple is for everyday routine or facts. Example, Frank drinks coffee every morning. Mary reads the paper before work. Bobby writes letters to his grandmother on weekends. Alice speaks to her friend on the phone before school. Now these are events, everyday events or common events that these people do frequently, or sometimes, or not so often, or almost never. The point is, it's a fact or routine. Another example of present simple as a fact would be, coffee is delicious, or Frank likes coffee. Newspapers are big. Mary sometimes reads newspapers. Letters are fun to write. Bobby enjoys letters. So these are examples of present simple as facts and routine. Present continuous is now. And with present continuous, we need to use the verb to be as the auxiliary verb and the principal verb in ing form, which is gerund. Example, Frank is drinking coffee now. Mary is reading the paper now. Bobby is writing a letter now. It's not absolutely necessary to say the word now because we understand that present continuous is now. But I just wanted you to realize that you can say it or not. Example, Alice is speaking to her friend on the phone. I didn't say now, but we understand that it's now. Okay? So now, let's look at the difference between present simple, facts and routine, and present continuous, now. Frank drinks coffee in the morning. He's drinking coffee now. Mary loves to read the newspaper. She's reading the newspaper now. Bobby always writes letters to his grandmother on weekends. He's writing a letter now. Alice speaks to her friend every morning before school. She's speaking to her friend now. Okay? So remember that present continuous requires two verbs. Present continuous. Present, the verb to be. Continuous, the verb ing. Going, doing, eating, sleeping, etc. I hope this was useful to you, and we hope to see you online at Success, where we have a lot of good stuff for you guys to check out to help you in your English learning. See you there.